Hey everybody, this is just a quick tutorial video on how to turn in late work. You might think, why do I need a video to teach me how to turn in late work? Because a lot of you aren't doing it properly. First of all, some of you are just completing late work and you're just naturally assuming I'm going to automatically every day look up to see if it's finished. And think about that. If I have 120 students and I have all these different things happening, I'd be spending hours just tracking late assignments and looking over IXLs and Edpuzzles just in case you finished up or you decided to. Some students don't do it at all. So I'm not going to do that. I'm going to give you a week to get your work in. And this week, things are due on the 8th. So make sure you're checking. This is all posted in the HyperDoc. It's there for you. So it does say right here that you need to submit stuff. You need to email me screenshots of your scores for IXL and Edpuzzles. Other assignments, email me when you're done. I'll go in and check. And this week, I actually added these two things, one before Monday, one after Friday, because students still weren't doing this, even though it's clearly posted here. And this is the same process we've used all year to turn in late work. Nothing's changed, well, except we're in remote learning. So if you're turning in an Edpuzzle, don't just email me, hey, Mr. Wattoon, I'm done with the Edpuzzle. I need to see your score. So this is a pretty good. This student sent me this one right here. If you remember, this is a video we did a while ago. The only thing that would be better is if they took this screenshot, I could see the title. But this is beautiful. From this right here, I can figure out which one it is. Now, some students will send me something like this. And I don't quite know what Edpuzzle it was. And a lot of times they'll tell me, oh, I finished this Edpuzzle. This is okay. This is even better, and to make it best is if you have the title too. What this allows me to do is update Infinite Campus very quickly. For this one like here, I'd have to go into Edpuzzle and I have to double check to make sure it's the correct one. But if this person right here would have included the title and this, I can update your IC really quickly. So when you're finished up with Edpuzzles, make sure you send me a screenshot. IXLs. The easiest things to do in IXL is go back to this page right here, and here are your scores. So it might be a little bit hard to see, but there's the score. So this is for Z1. So this person sent me when they finished up Z1. So I can easily see which one it is, and I can see their score. Now, that is the easiest thing to do. However, if you only have to finish up one, send me a screenshot like this is great too. I can see that it's Z3. I can see your score. I can quickly update IC. This is best if you're finishing up 2, 3, 4 late assignments because I can see all the scores right here. This is okay as well. So make sure you send me these screenshots. Just don't email me and say, hey, Mr. Wattoon, I finished up this IXL. I need to see the screenshots. Other items, well, it depends. Here the student sent me one of the check for understanding. They sent me their score. That's great. This is awesome. For all other items, whether it's the notes, whether it's a flow chart, no matter what it is, email me, say, hey, Mr. Wattoon, just to let you know, I've completed this assignment. Because if it's past the deadline, I'm not going to go look at your scores. I'm going to leave it up to you to be responsible and email me that you're done. So make sure you're following these procedures. After I post this video, I'm just going to email you back and say, please follow proper procedures for submitting late work. So if you don't know how to submit the late work, because everything is stated right here in yellow, it's the same process we've used all year, or you can watch this video. So let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.